Greetings, this is m squared and we're going to talk about solutions of an equation. No matter what kind of equation you have, if you're given the solution, that's the same thing as the x-intercept, or if you're asked to solve an equation, they're really asking you to solve for the x-intercept. Where does the graph cross the x-axis? So remember, a solution is the same thing as an x-intercept. Later when you study in math, you'll also know that there's other names for it, like zeros. That's another name for a solution or an x-intercept. So what we're going to do is we don't know anything about the line except the solution. So we're going to graph a line that has a solution of -3, which means it has an x-intercept of -3. Remember, this is my x-axis. So if I know it has an x-axis, an x-intercept of -3, -3 is right there. So I know my line has to go through that point. Now there are an infinite amount of lines that have an x-intercept of -3, and it doesn't matter, you know, if you're just graphing lines that have a solution of -3, it wouldn't matter what you did. We can just draw a whole bunch of them. You know, it doesn't really matter. All of those lines, because they cross the x-axis at -3, have a solution of -3. If you're asked to do this, you only have to do one line, but I just wanted to show you there's lots of different options. So over here, we're asked to graph a line with a solution of 5.5. So that's the x-intercept of 5.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, 5.5 is right in between 5 and 6. So I just graph a line that goes through that point. And like I said, it wouldn't matter if you drew a vertical line. Obviously, you can't draw a horizontal line because that has more than one x-intercept. It has an infinite amount of x-intercepts. So that's the only one that's unavailable to us. But any line you drew, as long as it went through 5.5, would work for this question. Good luck. M squared signing out.